Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. Today I'm doing what I call soft glam because I'm getting ready to go out for a little bit and I just want to be cute. I'm going to take you guys along for the ride with me. You let me know if you think it's soft glam or full glam or neutral glam or natural glam or whatever. I know that the makeup community has different names for different things and ultimately I just want to show y'all my makeup look. So let's get started. And this is the final look. Okay, I'm gonna admit it is a little more than soft glam in my opinion, but I feel like it's a little less than full glam. I mean, I did do a little glitter, but the lashes are pretty natural to me. And the lip color is a little more muted than what I was gonna do. Anyway, whatever you call it, this is kind of what has become my signature look. I'm in love. I love when I put on makeup and I feel good and I'm ready to go out and be adorable out in public. Let me know if you've used any of the products that I mentioned in this video, what you think about them. Oh, and let me share details on this hair. This is a quick weave that I just did last night. It's a half up, half down quick weave. I'm going to show you the pack of hair because I really love this texture so much. I purchased 2 packs of this Nature Bundles hair. It was $16.99 and it came with links 18, 16, and 14, and it comes with a closure. I did not use the closure because I'm not putting a closure in the front. But what I did do is purchase 2 packs because I wanted to use only 18 back here. I ended up using the 2 bundles of 18 and then a little bit of 16 up here. And then in my ponytail is a 14. So I have a bunch of hair left over and that's okay because I can reuse it the next time. But I feel like it really looks natural. I have a little piece here that I'm gonna have to cut. But this is one of the more fuller synthetic weft hairs that I found. I was using something else that was like $9.99 per pack, and I'm gonna be honest, I was getting what I paid for. So I love this hair. I'm gonna try to keep it in for about 2 weeks. At some point I'll do a half up, half down quick weave tutorial, but I feel like there's enough of those online already. If you have any questions about the makeup products or how long they last, just let me know what you think about them, whatever. Just put them in the comments below and I am going to try my best to answer reasonable questions. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Conversations with Candace, and until next time, y'all have a great day.